to Two Wheel Drive Garage. We are working on the 85 Bullnose today. We're going to take the gas tank down, we're going to take all of the gas out of it, and then we're going to put a new gas tank in, and hopefully we'll be able to put in a sending unit too, so then I can actually know how much gas I have, and that will be awesome.
Whatever's in the way, yeah. You gotta bend that strap back, bend that strap back. I got new clips if this one decides to let go. Oh, you butt. Come on, there you go. Don't break. Come on. Okay, did not break.
That's good.
Put that right. Put that forward. No, ain't no way, that's it. Oh, it is it.
Oh, sweet.
There. Okay.
Are you talking about up here? Oh, I see what it's rusted out.
Oh, man. You know.
I wonder if it's from when I washed it out.
I'm just saying at some point it's going to need a floor.
Yeah. I don't think we're gonna be like, yeah, but I'm doing it yet. That this right here is right underneath my feet when I'm in the truck.
I can see a little bit, not much. All I need, let's put that right there. Let's try to get this out. Uh-oh, here we go. Let me, here we go. Alright. I don't feel anything wet. Oh yeah, there's some there. Alright, she's ready to come down. Okay, it's coming down.
Okay.
Alright. You're gonna be in the way, so you're gonna scoot back out of there. There you go. You ready?
Nope. Okay.
Wow.
Ugh.
Let's go. Yeah, this is. Oh shoot.
Oh.
I'm gonna try to get it out. Once we get it past the frame, it should go. It should be okay. Okay, she's past the frame.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go back over there.
Okay.
So I'll try to hold my side as much as I can, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna use my good arm. It's not a good arm. Ready?
Stop.
Stop? I can't. Why am I stopping?
Is it still hung up there?
I'm looking. Yeah, it's right here. Oh crap.
Okay.
Don't you tip. Hold on.
I got it.
Let's see. Oh, it's stuffed in there like a big turd.
Cool.
Girl. Oh my god, you got it? I'm sorry. Hold on, we're almost there. Okay, we're through there now. Alright, bud. Hey, look. You go back. You ready?
Okay.
We're almost down.
Okay.
Oh boy. You're whipping around like you own the place. Are you okay?
Yep.
I'm just letting it go all the way down. Alright. Okay, it's all the way down. So,
Okay.
we're spilling gas. Hold on.
Are we?
Hold on a second. This thing is super full. Where is it? Look, Hal. You cannot come down here. You got it?
I think
Give me
so.
1 second. Oh, this is spilling your face. See, there's tubes on this here too. We didn't get it off all the way. I cannot let this in. Hold on. Oh shoot. I have to get that off of that line. I need you not to spill. Come on. Okay. Now it's super free.
Okay.
We just gotta get it on the ground.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm letting it down.
Okay, come on.
Okay, it's still on the ground.
Alright, ready? One more. Okay.
Got it?
Nope. I'm gonna get the jack out. You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, we're out. So we only lost one screw.
Well, that's
It's
not
over there,
terrible.
right there.
We didn't lose any. Look at that.
Alright, so just go easy until we can get it.
Oh, wait.
What's the matter? Oh. Just bend it all the way up. Ready? Ready? Okay, you should be. I know it's full.
Yeah.
Alright, let it just go ahead and bend it around.
Okay.
Yeah, I told you it's full. That's what was spilling out earlier. It don't look like it's ever been replaced.
No.
And these probably need to get. We need to do something different with
Definitely some gas in there.
this. Well, you gotta help me get this in there.
All right, here we go.
Scoop it out of there and let's get this in there. You ready? Yeah, she's heavy. Yep. Oh man, it's so full. I can at least pick the 350. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. Keep going.
Right, now we got the right fuel tank, so I should replace the sending unit because the gas gauge doesn't work, but I've decided to hold off on that for now and just get this gas tank in, and then whenever we do the bed, whatever we're doing with that, whether it be find a different bed or fix this bed.
I think we're gonna find a different.
You think we're gonna find a different bed? When we do that and take the bed off, I will then replace the sending unit and know exactly how much gas I have in theory. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is take all of the stuff that is on this tank, obviously, put it over on that tank. Never in its life.
So now let's blow that out. Let's try that up and let's see what we got. Stuck up there.
85, so it's been on here for almost 40 years.
You can pull it out and then kind of like remove.
Oh.
It's rusted in. That's what's wrong with the truck. Look, it rusted off. There's supposed to be a float on there. That's why it don't work. It don't float.
Okay, so
No, it's dark. Look how dark it is. That's not gas. Look at all that crap at the bottom. I don't know if the camera can see
I
that.
don't know if it can.
You see it, right?
I can definitely see it, yes.
Oh my gosh, there is like chunks.
I think that the only thing that is going to be previously salvageable from this tank is the filler neck.
Oh my God.
This is terrible. So,
That's why your truck is running like poop.
like doo-doo. So,
Picking up all that crap.
like I said, I was, you know, when you would really go to get on it, it would just kind of die and fall flat on its face, and we couldn't figure out what it was, and Eric was finally like, it's got to be the gas tank. So, you know, I got the wrong gas tank, and then I got the right gas tank, and, well, this is why I have no idea how much gas I have.
Where's the float at? I wonder where that's at.
Probably one of those chunks down in there.
Did it like break apart?
I don't know.
I don't know. I can't even see through it really.
Ugh.
I don't Oh my gosh, the whole tank is here. It's rusted. The inside of the tank is rusted. I know you guys can see this. Oh my gosh. Look at this, babe.
Oh, yeah. That's not great. Well,
I've never seen a descending unit or a float just like come off.
that's insane. All right, it's been a few weeks. I don't remember where we left off, but we have the new tank and sending unit. So now we need to get that up there.
This is that trick I used in prison. Just kidding.
Like, really?
It's getting hot, man. This all could go on there. See? Ta-da! Okay, come on. Get on there. Okay, there we go. So, you might have to lift your side up.
All right.
Pull it back to you. Just a little. Oh no, that came off. Alright, I'm about to plug that back in. So
Alright.
can you hold it?
Yep.
You can probably let it down.
I can.
See if it doesn't let it go down.
There you go.
See the crust of holes. The hose. Alright, let me see here. Like, I feel like it needs to go like all the way down. Is there anything I can bang with? Never mind. Because that clip's broke, but we're okay now.
It's fine. Okay.
These are probably all bent, so we're gonna have to, you know.
Shimmy them around.
Yep. You ready?
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna help you. And then I'll come back and do this. You ready? Hold on, gotta go back. Something.
Where it goes.
Okay, here. Go ahead. Try that. Hold on, go back out. Come up. Alright, get your nut on there. Just get it started. So it don't fall off. Boy, don't come off of there. That would hurt. Okay. Now, what on here? Yep, that's my arm. Okay, there's that. There's my shower in there. Get this gear. Boy, those don't want to turn, do they?
No.
Hey, they soaked them for how long?
Oh, I don't know. It doesn't feel like they got soaked.
Okay. Okay. Close your eyes, though.
Yep.
Let her eat. Go ahead. Keep going. Go ahead. Keep going. Alright. Gas tank's in. Now we gotta put the.
Success.
You wanna go get the filler neck
Sure.
and then a flathead.
Filler neck
And I'll try to get this on down here.
and a flathead. Got it.
Go ahead, put the tube in there. Okay, I'll just take the whole thing. Oh, I just Oh boy.
Where's the little torch you just had?
Right here.
Oh, that's not little. That's a much bigger torch than what you had.
I hope it comes out of there. Kind of really need that one out.
Kind of.
Look at that.
Easy peasy. Thanks, fire. We have most of it done. Everything is installed except for the fuel door, and we will get to that just as soon as it cools down.
Can you give me a salad there?
Sure.
The impact that's over there on the ash can. Alright.
Ta-da!
It is. Now. See, it'll start. See, it'll start.
Of course it will. The gas can's still up there.
Homemade gas. Oh, I gotta hook that up.
The homemade gas tank.
We'll do that while we're out here. Take all that mess out of there. And then, hook it from down there. So, look how dry that is.
There's no gas in it.
There's gas in there.
I know what's wrong with it.
Leak. I think we need none of that. When stuff happens,
Yeah.
we're gonna redo all this.
Yeah.
We're pulling an engine and we're gonna redo all this fuel line because I don't like it.
Whenever the time comes that we have some more space.
All right, you got that?
Yep.
That sucker up at. Look at me go. Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
Here we go. Let me take it out of there.
As always, thank you for joining us on Two Wheel Drive Garage. If you like what you see and you want to follow along, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos. We'll be getting back to the Mustang soon. Thanks for watching.